In a bright and happy rainbow village lived a little girl named Megha.
She was the cutest and kindest girl in the whole village.
Wow, the butterflies are so pretty!
But one day something strange happened.
Oh no, why does everything look so sad? The rainbow has disappeared! Without it, our village is losing its colors. Don't worry, I will bring it back.
And so, Megha began her colorful adventure.
Yay, a magical path! Dear Rose, you are beautiful. Don't be sad, little Rose.
And the red color returned with love.
Mr. Sun, please shine again.
The yellow light filled the sky with warmth.
River, can you laugh again?
Blue sparkles danced into the air.
Trees, let's dance together.
The green color shimmered beautifully. Purple wings fluttered in the sky.
Wow, butterflies, so pretty.
All the colors joined together. A beautiful rainbow appeared once again.
Wow, the colors are back.
The village came alive with color and joy.
The magic was always inside us, and kindness makes the world colorful.